Hey everybody, it's Cooking with Mr. Toews. Today we're going to make gourmet hot dogs. The first thing you need to do is grab some hot dogs from the fridge. Oh, there they are. They can be any hot dogs you want. Whatever works good. Now, the best way to cook hot dogs is, of course, using a fire outdoors camping. But the second best way is, of course, using a barbecue. So all you need to do is open it up and toss those hot dogs in there. And close it on up and let 'em cook. See you later, hot dogs. Of course, with any meal, we want to make it as healthy as possible, so we're going to chop up some vegetables. I don't really like chopping, so that's how I do it. It's always good to have a receptacle for your vegetables, so I like to toss my carrots in there, get each and every last one of them. And we're going to be chopping some red peppers soon. That'll be fun. I like chopping red peppers, 'cause I'll do it the same way I do carrots. There, just like that. We're gonna pop those peppers in the receptacle as well. A hot dog is not a sandwich, just for all those who were wondering. We're gonna chop up this, you know what? I don't like chopping cucumbers. What are we gonna do about this? I know. That's better. Chips is always a good thing for a hot dog meal, but I've been getting pretty lazy with my vegetables, so let's see if these work. That did not work. Try it again. Nope. Third time's a charm, hopefully. That's better. And of course, you gotta taste one just to make sure they're okay. Yum, they are. And as usual, we forgot the buns in the freezer, so we gotta get those out so they can thaw. Gotta have nice thawed buns. And on to the apple. Enjoy! Now you can put all sorts of toppings and sauces on your hot dog. Ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce. I've even made some homemade hot sauce here with some homemade relish. You know, really anything goes when you're making a gourmet dog. You just gotta get creative. Enjoy the process, really. Now we're gonna check on those dogs, see if they're done. Oh, look at that. They look really good to me. Probably should get them on a plate. We use our trusty tongs here and gently put them on the plate. And here's our finished product. I've opted for barbecue sauce, mustard, and banana ring peppers, along with all our other accoutrements. Let's see how it tastes. Not bad at all. Thanks for joining me on Cooking with Mr. Toews. We'll see you next time.